I want to walk you through a specific workflow that completely changed the way I think about content creation. If you spend hours crafting long-form videos like interviews or webinars, you're likely wasting way too much time cutting clips for social media. We all know the struggle of hopping between different editors and wrestling with scheduling until the content feels stale. Vizard changes that dynamic entirely by turning long videos into ready-to-post clips in just a few clicks. Let's face it, most clip generator tools just produce that same boring, stocky look everyone else is using. If you want to actually grow an audience, you need clips that feel unique and capture the real energy of your footage. That is exactly where the AI in Vizard really shines compared to other platforms. The software doesn't just cut your video, it automatically finds the viral moments for you. It handles the captions, generates the thumbnails, and can even schedule your posts automatically. The real power here is that you get to spend your time on content strategy rather than on editing minutiae. AI analyzes your content by looking for spikes of energy and emotional beats that get people to stop scrolling. You can take those AI suggestions and tweak them, or you can let the system run on autopilot. Either way, you suddenly have a volume of content that you could never produce by hand. I break this down into a simple 3-step process to help you do the work once and reuse it over and over. Step 1 is simply uploading your long-form video, whether it's a podcast episode or a webinar. The AI scans the file, creates a transcript, and identifies the best clip candidates. Pro tip: if you already have timestamps or a rough chapter list, drop those in to give the AI better anchors. Also, always make sure your source video has decent audio because clean sound leads to cleaner AI picks. Step 2 is building a smart template, which is the most important part of the entire workflow. You want to create a flexible template that tells the AI exactly what your specific vibe is. Think of this as teaching a junior editor exactly how you like your content presented. I always ask for a mix of short hooks, mid-form explainers, and longer clips for platforms like YouTube. You should also tell the AI to produce multiple aspect ratios so your content fits every platform. Always include a rule set for your template, like ensuring captions are included on every single clip. With one good template, the AI can churn out dozens of unique clips that still feel perfectly on brand. Step 3 is your review, schedule, and publish phase. The auto schedule feature is incredibly useful because you can set it and let the AI fill your calendar. If you want a truly hands-off funnel, you can set it for a few weeks and just check performance later. Now, let's talk about some practical tips for creating energetic scenes versus applying a specific visual style. For scenes, tell the AI to preserve the emotional peak, but for style, you should lock in your color grade and fonts. Instead of micromanaging, use words like analyze, match, and prioritize to teach the AI your brand philosophy. Ask the AI for varied shot types so you can A/B test what really connects with your audience. Never let the system rewrite what someone said because you want to keep the authenticity of the speaker. For the aspect ratio hack, I create a blank canvas in a tool like Canva to upload as a framing reference. In one webinar I ran, the system picked out 42 clips in minutes with 3 thumbnail options each. The engagement rate for that campaign tripled compared to the manual clips we used to make. People always ask about other tools, but most of them are essentially just digital scissors. They might be powerful, but they still expect you to do all the heavy creative lifting and manual scheduling. Vizard's real edge is the combination of automatic clip detection with a unified content calendar. It is about creating a repeatable system that turns one video into a stream of assets. If other tools make you trade quality for speed, this approach gives you both simultaneously. You can use this for product launches by having the AI extract feature-focused clips and testimonial snippets. For guest interviews, you can pull the top takeaways to keep your podcast in front of new listeners. You can even turn one long tutorial into dozens of micro lessons for different learner intents. Before you dive in, remember to always go for the highest resolution possible for your source files. Treat your template as a living thing that you tweak weekly based on what your audience clicks on. Don't be afraid to get a little weird, because sometimes the best clips break your style rules to surprise people. That's the high-level run-through of how to turn long videos into branded content that actually moves the needle. It saves time, ensures consistent output, and helps you build a content machine instead of a headache. I'll drop some of my exact template examples in the description so you can get started right away. Try this workflow today. Upload a file, apply a smart template, and watch which clips spike. You will learn so much faster than if you were trying to edit 20 clips by hand. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one with more hacks that actually work.